Hey there, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. And today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked, but oh so important, our hands. If you want to keep those hands looking as youthful as ever, you've come to the right place. Today, I am here to share with you all some great home remedies for dealing with wrinkled hands, wrinkled feet, dark knuckles, all of those things that make you feel so uncomfortable to show off your feet and show off your hands. I am thankful to you all for giving me so many compliments on my hands, and I just wanted to share some home remedies to get those hands and feet back in order. Now, I'll be speaking probably more in tune of the hands, but this will help your feet as well. So let's get to the first remedy today. Now, before we get started with making the hands look youthful, we first have to handle the business on hand. If they're rough, dry, dark knuckles, we want to help to restore the youthfulness back to them. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is a remedy to help slough off the dead skin and get your skin back to normalcy. The biggest reason for hands looking rough and dull and wrinkled and tired is that we have excessive dryness and dead skin on them. So all you have to do is take 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, a half cup of sea salt, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Now, all of these ingredients together, the almond oil has monosaturated fatty acids, vitamin E, potassium, protein, zinc, and a number of other vitamins and minerals that will lubricate the hands and knuckles. The honey will help to brighten and smooth your knuckles. And then the sea salt is the exfoliating tool that's going to slough off the dead skin cells, allowing smoother and healthier skin cells to take their place. And that turmeric is going to help effectively resolve hyperpigmentation as well as melanin production. What you do with this is massage it on your hands, concentrating on the knuckles. If you have dark knuckles, do this 2 to 3 minutes and leave the mixture on for about 30 minutes. Afterwards, just rinse everything off with lukewarm water and moisturize your hands with jojoba, avocado, or grapeseed oil, or whatever moisturizing lotion that you have. Make sure to do this treatment at least 3 times a week until you see the desired results. Your hands need exfoliation. Absolutely, they do. Let me share with you some things that are amazing for exfoliating the hands. Listen, the first thing we're going to talk about is this great scrub that I love. Check this out, y'all. One thing you should know, listen to me closely. Dry skin is dead skin. Using a simple mixture of this lemon and some sugar and sour cream or even milk or even yogurt, this will help to exfoliate and tone the skin on your hands. You can not only use it on your hands, but your feet, your legs, wherever, okay? And once you rinse it off, follow up with a heavy lotion. You can use the same scrubs you use for your body on your hands. Do you use body scrubs? Take some time, instead of just using your hands to do all the work, put some of that scrub on the back and massage it in. Your hands will be relieved, they'll feel good, and they'll start looking a whole lot better. If you have age spots or sunspots, try this simple mixture of lemon juice, yogurt or sour cream, or sugar once a week. That is perfect. Okay, so I guess you can say I'm pretty much the exfoliation queen. Y'all know I'm about exfoliating, and your hands and feet they have to be exfoliated too. Dry skin is dead skin. Just try using this simple mixture. The mixture of lemon and sugar to exfoliate your hands and feet. Just take half of a lemon and a little bowl of sugar, dip the lemon in, and exfoliate your hands and feet. Now exfoliate them gently, don't be abrasive with it at all. Once you complete this, rinse your hands, rinse your feet, and follow up with what else? The Avon Footworks Maximum Strength Cracked Heel Cream. Yes. Now, this type of treatment helps to improve the texture and tone of your skin. They also help reduce wrinkles and correct uneven or irregular pigmentation, just like dark knuckles. Yes, indeed, it is perfect. And the other thing is to correct. You can treat age spots at home with the lemon juice or with an over-the-counter topical bleach treatment. A few of the ones that I have used that are very also moisturizing, I've used Advanced Clinicals, the vitamin C cream is going to help brighten the skin and fight all of the free radicals and help with anti-aging, age spots, dark spots on the face, hands, and body. This one is great. Also, there is one called Retinol Anti-Aging Hand Cream. This one is going to help your hands look younger. It's really rich and creamy, and it'll help to condition and protect your skin, and not only your skin, but your nails and cuticles as well, because it does have vitamin E in it, which minimizes aging effects. And then you also have this third one, which is Advanced Clinical Dark Spot Therapeutic Cream. It contains vitamin C, and it is great for age spots, blotchy skin. This can be used on your face, hands, and your body. So these are some things that are going to be helpful in keeping your hands looking young. Look, don't let your face be cute and your hands telling all your business. Don't do it, girl. Now the next remedy is going to help you get younger looking hands within minutes. All you have to do is soak your hands in milk about once a week to restore moisture and heal the dryness. All you have to do is pour 2 cups of milk into a microwave safe bowl and heat it in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds or until warm. Use whole milk rather than low fat or skim milk. Full fat milk will provide more moisture. Place both of your hands in the bowl so your dry and cracked skin is completely submerged. Let your hands soak in the milk for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove your hands from the milk and rinse with cool water. Pat them dry with a soft hand towel, then liberally apply moisturizer to the skin. Now here's another one that's going to help you get younger looking hands and remove dark knuckles and dead skin. Very simple, very simple. All it takes is 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, or you can use Greek yogurt, sour cream, or whole milk. Just mix them into a soupy paste. Rub this all over your hands, rinse, and moisturize. You'll actually see immediate improvement. Do this 3 times a week for maintenance, and make sure you moisturize after doing this treatment. Now I have a good one for you. We're going to talk about keeping your hands looking young with this one. Now this is my purse. Inside of this purse is something amazing to keep the hands looking young. This is one that I should have brought to you a long time ago. It is as simple as sunscreen. Try to get an SPF of 30 and apply this to your hands throughout the day, especially if you're going to be outside for a prolonged period of time. Free radicals bring out the worst in hands like brown spots, dark spots, age spots. Give your hands something that they will be applauding you for. Sunscreen every single day. Front, back, sides, all over. The same as you do on your face. You're going to be super amazed at the results. It's going to help lighten up dark spots, age spots, even the knuckles. It's going to even help soften the cuticles. Sunscreen, at least an SPF of 30. Very simple, very easy remedy. Now I know you already know this, but I must reiterate the fact that when you're washing dishes or doing anything that's exposing your bare hands to chemicals, even when cleaning, please make sure that you wear gloves. Even if you're outdoors doing work, gardening, wear gloves to protect your hands. Now, we all know we got to keep our hands hydrated. Most importantly, this is the key to counteracting wrinkled hands, crepey skin, and so forth. Applying lotions or creams frequently throughout the day is a must. This will help your skin retain its elasticity. But this is what's going to blow your mind. But do you see what I have in my hand? Do you see that I am holding not a hand lotion, not a body lotion? I am holding the Avon Footworks Maximum Strength Cracked Heel Cream. Listen, if you have rough knuckles, calluses, dry hands, this was a discovery I made while doing my feet. And then I put it on my hands. And then I'm like, okay. So I play saxophone and I do have calluses on my thumbs. I write a lot, so I do have calluses on my finger. I drive, so I have calluses in my hand. But guess what took care of that? This Avon Footworks Maximum Strength Cracked Heel Cream. It has 24 hours of moisturization. It says that, but you know, we wash our hands frequently now, which is another reason why we have dry hands, why we have wrinkles that's forming faster than ever. This is going to provide up to 2 times your skin's moisture. That's it. Promise you that. And it's going to help soften those calluses. If it can take care of the cracked, rusty heels, it can take care of your hands. And what I love about it is that it is fragrance free, so it does not clash with any of my other perfumes I'm wearing or lotions. And sulfate free, all of those free things. That's it. But you can get it on Avon. Check out my link down below for this product, y'all. And then without a doubt, without a question, this should be something that you should just know to moisturize your hands. You gotta moisturize your hands, not just once a day, not just twice a day, all day long. Keep that moisture locked in. Keeping your hands hydrated is the key to counteracting crepey skin. Applying lotions or creams frequently throughout the day is the only way that I know of that you're not going to have those dry, wrinkled, crepey hands. This will help your skin retain its elasticity. I just want to show you 3 of the lotions that I use, and you don't necessarily have to opt for a hand cream or a hand lotion. You can use any type of deep moisturizing lotion. One, I love this Jergens Shea Butter Deep Conditioning Moisturizer. I didn't realize how amazing this was until I did my Shea Butter shower routine, and I fell in love with this lotion. This one, 3 times more radiant skin, but not only that, it's 3 times the conditioning of the skin. It's moisturizing, super moisturizing. Now, all of the products that I'm showing in this video, I will link them down below for you because you're going to love them. and the other one, which has been my top #1 fave since God knows when. I am an Avon representative, and this is a product that you can buy off of the Avon website or from your Avon representative. If you want me to be your Avon representative, baby, all you have to do is just use my link below, and I will make sure Avon takes care of you, okay? Moisture therapy. This is intensive healing repair body lotion, and this is amazing. It's unscented, which is why I love it. Also, but it is this, look what it says, Hydro Boost therapy. Whatever that is, it is definitely very moisturizing, hydrating for the skin. And then the other item is Nivea cream. This Nivea body cream, body, face, hand moisturizing cream has been around for a long time. This one is it's a given, and it contains lanolin, which is one of the main ingredients many people say they have to use on their hands to keep them looking very moisturized. This is it. Beautiful babes, your hands need skincare too. Considering all the work that your hands do, no wonder they appear to age faster than the rest of our bodies. As we age, the skin on the back of the hands actually get thinner. The reduced volume and decreased elasticity produce translucent skin that wrinkles and develops age spots. Now, our hands continuously take a beating day after day, and not only that, they are exposed to the sun and other elements that other parts of our bodies are not exposed to. Nowadays, we wash our hands more than ever. Frequent washing and hot water depletes the natural oils on the hands. Beautiful babes, I hope this wasn't too lengthy. I hope it wasn't too much going on. But you know, if you want to keep the hands looking great, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing you something I know you can use. And I know that you've asked for it time and time again. I am so glad that you asked for the video, and I'm so glad I can bring it to you. If you were here for it, please go ahead and drop a like on the video. Let me know you were here for it. Again, if you're new to the channel, please introduce yourself in the comments. I appreciate that so much, and so will everybody else. We are a family of folks that's working together to make things happen, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all for making this channel what it is today. But anyway, beautiful babes, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell, leave a comment down below if you don't have anything to say, drop me some hearts, and make sure you introduce yourself. And for the ones that's been around for a while that enjoys my content, thank you so much for doing what you do, and that is sharing me with your world. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.